Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to use Siri to flip a coin, roll the dice, or pick a number. If you have the Hey Siri function activated on your phone, you can use that to open up Siri. Hey Siri, flip a coin.
It's tails this time.
Hey Siri, roll the dice.
They came up 2 and 5.
Hey Siri, pick a number.
A random number between 0 and 100 is 12.
You can also pick the range of the number. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 10.
A random number between 1 and 10 is 1.
And that is how to use Siri to flip a coin, roll the dice, and pick a number on the iPhone 13 Pro.